In today's video, I'll show you how to slow down a video in Canva to add a dramatic touch or make sure every detail is noticed. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tips. Start by opening your Canva project with the video you want to adjust. Click on the video directly on the canvas to select it. Once selected, look at the top of the screen for the speed icon and click it. A slider will appear. This is your control for video speed. To slow down the video, drag the slider to the left. Preview your video as you adjust to make sure the speed feels natural and achieves the effect you want. Adjust incrementally until you find that perfect pace. And that's it. Slowing down a video in Canva is quick, simple, and perfect for presentations, tutorials, or any content where every detail matters. Remember to save your changes and happy designing!